How much protein on a plant-based diet for strength in the gym? Today I'm going to be sharing what I'm eating, the macro breakdown, the fat, fiber, protein, carbs, and calories of the food I'm eating. Also going to show you a couple clips from my workout real quick. And I'm on this new routine I've been doing for a couple of weeks now. Watch my last video to learn more about it, but it's a really great routine. Today I'm going to be hitting my push move, a shoulder move, a tricep move, and a couple core moves. 5 sets total. That's it for today. I'm still gaining strength. I'm still making gains, still making progress. So I get a lot of questions about protein. Show you exactly what I'm eating today and the amount of protein, calories, and all that. So if you're pushing hard in the gym and you're getting enough calories and eating enough real whole foods, that's what's going to matter. And also getting enough sleep and having enough rest time in between the workouts. So watch my last video. I give you all the details on that. But here are some clips for today and what I'm eating. And then stay tuned to the end and you'll see the full breakdown of the macros. So just some quick clips from my workout. If you want to know more about my routine, check out my last video. I go into more detail, but I'm doing essentially 1 set of each move twice a week. So today is flat dumbbell bench press as my first move. 1 set, super hard. And the last time I did this workout a few days ago, I hit over 15 reps with 65 pounds in each dumbbell. So since I hit over 15 reps on this move, I move up to 70 pounds. So I moved it up, the weight. And again, it's only 1 set, super intense. So I give it everything I have, and I ended up getting 15 reps, but I didn't break 15. And there it is, 15. Look at, I'm pushing super hard to get it, and I got it. That was all I had. So next time I'll do the same 70 pounds. I got to break 15 before I bump the weight up. Then I rested for about 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and I did a set of weighted dips. So the last time I did the weighted dips, I used 20 pounds and I did 18 reps. So since I did more than 15 reps on this move, I am now doing 25 pounds. And I ended up hitting 17 reps with 25 pounds. So that's still an improvement. And I couldn't do, I went for 18, couldn't do it. So then I put down the weight and I did a few more. Because again, I'm only doing 1 set. So I'm going to go everything I have here. Very intense. Did a few more reps without the weight. So there you go. The third move I did was a shoulder exercise. Now I had an issue with my shoulder many years ago, so I don't actually use weights, but ideally on this move right here, you do some dumbbells, like a dumbbell shoulder exercise or a machine. But since I had that issue with my shoulder, I don't use weights for my shoulder. Then after this little shoulder press here, I did a couple of core moves. And just to recap, I did 5 sets total. And this is the second half of my workout. So the day before this, I did the first half of my workout. And I do 2 rounds per week, essentially. So I do full body twice a week, but just split into 2 different days. Then it's time to head home and eat. At 1:30, I started with this 1.5 pounds of pineapple. And I do intermittent fast, so I broke my fast at 1:30. And then I moved on right after that to this big bowl of oatmeal, super delicious. It had blueberries, apple, cacao powder, chia seeds, walnuts, cinnamon, almond milk, and also dates. And that was my first of 2 meals. And then at 6 p.m., I had my second meal, and I started off with a big green salad. It had a bunch of mixed greens, an avocado. It had sunflower seeds, craisins, and cucumber. And then I also had a big bowl of yellow curry. It was veggie yellow curry with tofu, and it was over a couple of servings of brown rice. So for the day, it was 3,204 calories, 453 grams of carbs, 142 grams of fat, 62 grams of protein, and 74 grams of fiber. And that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.